All right, so we have a little bit of an issue with the Grand Wagoneer. It's got 1,056 miles on it. It just came up with service four-wheel drive, some sort of a front impact warning light. The four-wheel drive low is flashing, which makes no sense. This push the neutral button is flashing, and when you try to make a sharp turn, the vehicle comes to a stop. As you can see, I am not pressing the brake if I straighten the wheel out. So it's like it's trying to go into 4 low on its own or something. I'm not sure what the deal is here, but it does not make a good sound. I don't know if you can hear that. So something's definitely not right. Got that going for me. Perfect. Add that to the list.